Let's take it out into the yard with our oil bucket and drain the oil. Alright guys, so we let it run for 5 minutes and I just bring it out in the yard. So when you have it on the side, it's a good time to come over here, clean this out, clean any of this out, take the blade off of it. Alright, now let's sharpen the blades. So this is what I use most of the time to sharpen blades. It doesn't take very much to sharpen a blade. People kind of get a little scared about sharpening blades, but this little tool is $10 or less. You can find these, and it automatically has a nice little angle on it, and the flat spot goes underneath the blade and the angle goes on the sharpening side. So you attach this to your common household drill and just spin it like that, go across the blade, and it really doesn't take that much. Now if you're missing chunks and hunks out of your blade, just go get a new blade. You don't need to grind off a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch of blade. I mean, you can take them down a little far, but there's no reason to do all that. Just go get a new blade. You'll be a lot more satisfied with it instead of monkeying around with the blade trying to get it balanced. So, and then one other thing you do is to balance the blade. So just whatever you take off on one side, you take off on the other side. So they sell balancers. They're like $10 or less. You can balance it on there, and it'll drive you nuts, trust me, because you'll take some off of one side, it'll lean the other way. You take some off the other side, it leans the other way. So just do the best you can. Or what I've done in the past is just put a nail in the wall and hang it up there on the nail and watch it balance. So you don't even really need to buy a balancer, but it's always good to have one. Lawnmower blades don't need to be a razor sharp. With this pre-built on here, this will do a great job for the average homeowner. Now if you're going to do hundreds of blades and advertise and do all that stuff, you might want to get a little more investment. They're about $200, and it's a little guide with a grinder, and you can go through that process. But other than that, for the average homeowner, doing your blades once a year, once maybe twice a season, this is all you need.